Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Great, great. Good afternoon, everyone. So you are here to learn a little bit more about Google Classroom. I am Patricia Machado. I am with SQA Education. I coordinate the programs. Sometimes I teach. So I do a little bit of everything. I talk to you on WhatsApp. And here we have also teacher Eunice who works with us. Some of you are her students. And she is an expert in Google Classroom. So she's going to help you. So we are going to help all of you to submit your homework and understand a little better about Google Classroom. Hello, Mustafa, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine.
Does anyone have any questions for the beginning of the session? No questions?
No.
No question.
Okay. So let's get started. Okay. Oops. What is this? Okay. So we are going to learn how to log into Google Classroom, how to find your assignments. This word assignments also means homework or other activities that you do in Google Classroom. How to submit your homework. Submit means send the homework to your teacher, okay? And then how to check your grades if you have. But also we are going to learn how to check if you submitted your homework correctly, okay? So these are things that we are going to learn today. So step one, we have to log in to Google Classroom. So quickly on the chat, say yes or no if you already have Google Classroom on your phone. Do
Yes,
you
I-
have Google Classroom on your phone? Type on the chat. Rabab, yes. Eunice, yes. I already
Yes,
have it. Yes, Sukana, yes. Fati, yes. Jamila, yes. Mariela, yes. We are missing a few. Marian, yes. If you don't have it, no problem. Just say no. Abdul, yes. Good. Okay. Yara, yes. Good. So you are 50% there. We can have dinner early. Okay. So you are logged in your Google Classroom. Okay. Lila, you just joined. Please, good afternoon. And please answer on the chat if you have your Google Classroom on your phone or computer. Okay. Then the second step, you already are logged in on your Google Classroom. So you already have your account in the Google Classroom. You put your email and your password. It's the same as you use for Google. Everyone? So if everyone is on Google Classroom, hi, Ikran. We have a few students coming in, so I'm going to stop a second. And I'm going to go back to, yeah, we have a lot of people late, 10 minutes late. Okay, for you who just joined, we had a question, one question. Do you already have your Google Classroom on your phone or your computer? Yes or no? Can you type on the chat, please, if you have your Google Classroom on your phone or computer? Yes or no? Oops. Okay, Ikran has. Amina has. And Mibaka has. Okay. Okay. So you're very good. Okay. Okay, so since we have our Google Classroom in our phone, we have to find our class. I imagine that you only have the English class in your phone. Do you know how to find your class? Oh, Hanai, you don't have the Google Classroom on your phone? Okay. So, Hanai, are you on your phone or your computer, please? Because there are different ways of downloading. Oh, you don't have enough storage on your phone. Okay, Abdul. Yeah. Good, Amina. You're ready. You have phone and computer. Amazing. Yeah. And you need to delete some stuff that you don't use, some apps that you don't use, or some content that you don't use to have the Google Classroom there. It doesn't take a lot of space, so you probably deleting a few, one or two, you should have space to download Google Classroom, okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, so you learn and then we see what we can do, okay? Oops, sorry. When you are on the Google Classroom on the main tab, Eunice, do you want to share your phone screen?
Yes. Sure. 1 second. Let me just.
Yes, Hanai, it's necessary to have the Google Classroom because that's where we do all the homework. You can also access a computer because really you only have to go there twice a week. So if there is someone in your house that has a computer, you can go on the Google Classroom in the computer and you can do your activities there.
Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. Is it echoing on my end?
No.
It's okay. All right. Well, just like what Patricia said, it's important that you install Google Classroom and Google Docs. So Google Classroom and Google Docs have to be installed. You can go to App Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to App Store and download them. Again, this is only for the phone. All right. Now, if you have your Google Classroom and Google Docs installed, then you find your class. To find your class, you have to go to your email. So Patricia sent you the link. Or or you can go to your WhatsApp. For example, let me go to my WhatsApp. So here I am joining my class. Sorry.
We are not seeing your screen.
You're not seeing my screen?
You're seeing mine screen.
Oh, really? You cannot see WhatsApp?
Mm-mm.
Oh, why is that? But I can see my screen on my side, on my end. Let me share again.
You want me to stop? Oh, you can see Eunice's screen? The phone?
Yes.
Why I cannot?
Maybe you have to stop sharing your screen, Patricia.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna share once again.
Okay.
You see it now?
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm on the WhatsApp and we send the Google Classroom link here. Now I'm going to click the link and I will be seeing my class. It says Practical Skills 2. This is my Google Classroom class. So I'll
Okay.
click it and I click join. So now I'm here. Can everybody see it? Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
teacher, yes.
Okay,
Now,
so
if
I
you
have a question for you. Can everyone see your class? Can everyone join Google Classroom on your phone, like teacher Eunice just did?
Yes.
Click on the link and then you see your class. Maybe this is not your class, but there is going to look like this with a color and the name of your teacher and your level. Can you see your class? Jamila can. Who else? Yes or no, can you see your class on the screen? Amina can.
Yes.
Marian can. Okay. Fati can or Fai can. Rama, Laila, very good. If you cannot see, say something. Let us know. So Kaina can, Yara can. Okay.
You can follow me while I'm doing it. All right, do it with me. So this is my Google Classroom, and on Google Classroom, I can see weekly reading, class recording, the slides, vocabulary, homework, and a lot more. Now, I want to do my homework. How do I do that? So first, all you need to do is find the word homework. What I do is to click classwork and scroll down and look for homework.
Okay,
So
so
I have,
you see classwork in the bottom, the little blue on the bottom, all the way down, there's classwork. That's where you have to click. Do you see that? Okay. So if you want to find your homework, you have to click on classwork, okay? Classwork is what all the content is going to be. Homework, class recordings, class slides, weekly readings, everything is under classwork. So click on classwork. Okay.
okay. Now, let's try to do homework. This time, I'm going to do homework 2. So I click on homework 2.
Just a second, Eunice, go back. So when you see next to the homework, class 1, homework 1, class 2, homework 2, every class has a homework, okay? When the teacher sends you the homework, is this word here, assign, means that you have to do this work. You didn't do it yet, okay? So when it's assigned, you have to do the homework, okay? If it says turn in, what happened? If instead of saying assigned, here next to the homework, it says turned in, what happened? You have to do the homework or you already did the homework? What do you think? Can anybody answer that question?
We did the homework.
Exactly, Ikram. So here when it says assigned next to the homework is because you have to do the homework. If it says turned in, is going to mean that you already did your homework, okay? Okay, Eunice, you can go.
Okay. So let's do homework number 2. Now, if you click homework number 2, you will see the instructions. So make sure to read the instructions. Here it says on Google Classroom, write 3 sentences about today's weather. Now, what I like to do is to copy the instruction first. So I'll select everything. Hold up. Yeah. So I'm going to copy everything and I'll click add work. Can you see add work?
In the bottom,
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now we have add from Drive, camera, upload photo, upload, insert link, and create. We will click create. Can you see create?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So click create and we have docs, slides, sheets, PDF. Can you see Google Docs?
Yes.
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 Okay, now you click Google Docs. So you have to wait a little because sometimes it takes a little long. Now you paste the instructions. So click the pen first. Do you see the pen at the bottom?
Yes.
the little pen.
Yes.
here.
So there is a pen icon. Make sure to click that. Otherwise, it's not gonna allow you to write. So click that. Paste the instructions so you don't forget it. And write your homework. Okay, you can
Oh,
write.
who can do this homework? Wait, let's not, let's say what the weather is today. So can you tell, in your city, how is the weather today? Can someone say it? I'm going to start. I am in Florida, I'm in Miami. Here today is sunny, but it's not hot. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, today in Boston is sunny and warm.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sunny and warm.
Yes,
What else?
today in Charlotte, North Carolina, is sunny.
Charlotte is sunny too.
Yeah.
Any other towns?
Today in Canary Case, it's sunny and it's not hot. It's cold.
It's cold?
Yes.
You're wearing a sweater?
Yes.
Okay, so in Connecticut it's cold. Okay.
And today in Morocco, it's sunny and warm. It's very beautiful day.
Oh, so we are lucky because all over is a beautiful day. Good, good.
Yes, the
Uh,
same. In Morocco, it's night now, and it feels warm, so it's a good thing.
Nice, nice. Okay, teacher Eunice, you can
all right.
forward.
So,
Now that we answer our homework, you typed your homework on Google Docs. Let's see what is going to happen.
okay, so write everything regarding your homework and click the check mark. Can you see the check mark? It's on the left.
Yes.
It's on the upper left.
Under the time.
Yes, that's correct. Now I click the check and it's gonna save automatically. And I go back to Google Classroom. To go back, you can click the arrow back. And go back to Google Classroom. Now, as you can see, above the turn in button, there is Eunice Salazar Class 2 homework. That means I have added my work. Got it? Everybody's following?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is the time where you click turn in. So that is the final thing you have to do. Just click turn in. Make sure to click turn in, and that's it. So you have just submitted your homework. And
So-
you have to wait. Mhm.
So now let's go back to the screen, the main screen where classwork is. Let's see. Can you see now? Teacher Eunice did her homework too, and now is saying turn in. A lot of times the students are asking us, can you check if I submitted my homework? It's just to go back to classwork and see that is saying green and is saying turn in. That's the sign that you turn in your homework. Now you have to wait for your teacher to give you the feedback to your homework. The moment you click turn in, your teacher already receives your homework. And then they have a time before the class when they're going to correct all homework. And then you're going to get your feedback. So I think if anyone has any questions right now, you can ask, or I will ask teacher Eunice to do that again, to explain that again from the beginning.
Everything is clear. Thank
Is
you.
clear?
For me, yes, it's clear.
Okay, Jamila got it. Fatih got it. Who is still confused about the homework? No one? So now, do you want us to do it the same way, but now in the computer? Because this is on the phone. In the computer is a little different. Because I think Amina, she uses the phone and the computer, both. Does anyone have a computer?
Yes, I have my computer, but I prefer phone.
You prefer to do the phone. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, is easier. Okay. Does anyone
Oh.
need the explanation in the computer? Mibarka, you raise your hand?
Yeah, teacher, just for the homework.
Mm-hmm.
But everything is clear, yeah.
Is clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to, this is being recorded, and we are going to share the video with everyone because some of the friends could not join. And we are going to also put subtitles in Arabic and Spanish. So if anyone needs help, we will have in Arabic and Spanish. But now we are going to, in a few classes, we are going to ask you to record your voice in a website that's called Vukaru. And some students have doubts on how to record their voices and upload on Google Classroom. So we are going to explain that too.
Patricia, can I add something?
Yes.
Okay, now it's very important that you look for the teacher's feedback as well. Now, I did the homework too, and my teacher wrote a feedback. Now, to read it, you click the homework that you did and drag this up. Then you will see a comment. Teacher said, good job. Or if there is any correction, you have to redo your homework. Got
Okay.
it?
And it's important also to know that everything that we send on Google Classroom, you receive in your email. So you're going to receive a notification in your email when your teacher gave you the feedback of your homework, or when your teacher posted a new homework. It's all on your email. So you can go to your Gmail, the same email that you use for Google Classroom, and you can just click from there. You don't even have to go into Google Classroom to access the homework, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Patricia, do you want me to go over Vocaru?
Yes.
I'm posting a sample homework.
Okay.
Okay. Now, let's try doing the Vocaru homework. So Vocaru, it's a tool where we can record our voice. So it's vocaru.com. Now, to go there, you have to use your phone's browser. So my phone's browser is Safari. Now I click this and write vocaru.com.
So what other browsers are there? Do you know what a browser is?
Yes.
Okay. So it can be Google Chrome,
Yes, Google Chrome.
or a Safari, or what's the Windows one? Bing. Depends on the system that you use. Okay? Okay. So you
Okay.
go on the website, www. is on the chat, vukaru.com on your browser. So it's very simple. It's just a simple recorder.
Okay. Now you click the microphone button. So it's gonna allow you to start recording. Make sure to allow your microphone access. And then you say something, blah, 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 and click stop. When you're done, if you want to listen to it again, then click the play button. then you can listen to it. And if you feel like, oh, it's good, it's already excellent, then I'm gonna click save and share. The most important thing here is the link. So we copy the link here.
You
As
can
you can
also
see,
click on those little two little squares next to the link. You are going to be copying the link the same way.
okay, so I have now copied the link successfully, and I'll go to Google Classroom and go to homework. Okay, so I made Vocaru homework. This is just an example. So you click that, add work, and insert link. Then you can paste the link that you copied and click add. And then wait until it appeared here. There you go. It says Vocaru Online Voice Recorder. So click turned in. And that's it. Now let's go back and see if it's already turned in. Yeah, it says check. It says turned in, sorry.
Okay, so all you have to do is copy the link and paste on the link, add a link on Google Classroom on the homework. Select the add link option. You can also select Google Docs and paste the link on Google Docs. It doesn't matter. You can do add link or you can paste the link on Google Docs. The important part is that you have to copy the link and paste the link. Oh, teacher, can I download the link? Yes, you can download the link, but then when you go to Google Classroom, the option is going to be upload. So you're going to upload the link, okay? It's a different option because remember, when you open add or create, there is a lot of options of things we can do. We can go to Google Docs, we can add a link, we can add a picture, we can do Google Drive, we can do a lot of things. So you have to find the best way for you. If you would like to download things, you can download the link and then upload. You're going to select upload. So is there any questions?
No, thank you.
No,
Okay.
thank you.
So do you have homework that you have to do today?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to check. I need to check with each of you your class, so we can check if you didn't have any issues afterwards. So Yara, what's your class?
Class for Miss Laura.
Laura, okay. And your level is B1?
A2.
A2, okay. Sokaina, what's your class? Okay, Sarah is B2. Okay, can you, if you can speak, can you type please on the chat your class and the name of your teacher, please?
Sahar, B2.
Okay,
Angela.
Angela. Okay. Mibarka is B2, is Angela too?
No teacher with you, teacher Eunice.
Oh, Eunice. Jamila. Laura B1. Wafai.
Teacher Eunice, A1.
Okay. Marian Yatin.
Teacher Laura, B1.
Laura B1. Marian.
Yes, B1, Miss Eunice,
Mm-hmm.
class 2.
Okay. Mariela.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, I'm here.
Abdu.
Teacher Laura, class A2.
Okay. Barka. Malika. B2 Tom. Sultan.
My name is Hannah, and I'm B2, and I'm with Thomas.
Okay. Thomas. Okay. Rabab. Who is your teacher?
Hi, Jean.
Hello?
With teacher Angela, she wrote.
Angela?
Ikram,
Ikram?
level B2 with Miss Angela.
Angela. Very good. Let's see. Uma. Mina. Mina is your student, right? Unis?
Yes.
Jamila already said. Laila. Hi, Laila.
Hi, B2, my teacher Eunice.
Oh.
I don't
Who is
have
she doesn't have B2, but Laila is your student?
I don't think so.
No, I think she is okay, I'll get it.
With Angela, I
Yeah.
guess.
Yeah.
Sorry, A2, A2.
Oh, okay. Let's see, maybe it's Laura. Who is just added?
Sure.
What's your name?
Barka Bilanwan,
Just my
Okay.
student.
Oh, okay.
class B1. My teacher is Eunice.
B1. Okay. Eunice, you have a lot of your students here. That's nice.
Teacher, please, I'm sorry. I'm Barka Hisham. I'm with teacher Eunice. Just to correct, it's B1, not B2, sorry.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I'm happy that you know your levels, because then you know how we have to progress. Okay. Who has questions? Any questions besides Google Class? Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Ahmed.
Hi, Ahmed.
How are you?
I am great. How are you?
Thank you. I'm fine. I'm from Morocco. I am in B2 with Miss Angela.
Angela, with Miss Angela. Very good.
Thank
And do
you.
you have any questions about Google Classroom, or you understood the explanation?
For now, actually, no, I don't have any question.
Good. Okay.
Thank you.
It's important because homework is required. We give a certificate, and homework more than a certificate. Homework is important because you really consolidate what you learn, especially the recording, the Vocaloid. When you speak and you listen to your voice, is
Yeah,
very
yeah,
important for your learning,
yeah,
especially for pronunciation, okay?
yeah,
Because
yeah,
we don't know what the other person are listening when we're speaking. But when we record our voice, because I always thought, oh, I'm saying something and the person is not understanding what I'm saying because my English is not my first language. So I would say someone is not understanding what I'm saying, but I thought I was saying it correctly. But then when I listen what I was saying, it was completely different than I thought I was saying. So it's important to record your voice. That's why we ask you to do the Vocaloid recording. And when you're studying, if you want to record you doing the dialogues of the classes and then afterwards listen, is very, very good for your development. It's very, very important. It's a very good tool to improve your English. Who has a question? And go ahead, Nai.
First of all, I want to thank you all for your explanation. It's perfect. But I still have a question in mind. Is it possible, is it already a deadline for submission of the homework? Or
Oh,
it's
good question. So we don't put a deadline on Google Classroom because if you don't have time this week, you can do it next week. But the ideal is that you do the homework before the next class. So for example, if you have a class on Monday and Wednesday, you after your class on Monday, you can do your homework on Tuesday, or if your class is in the evening, even Wednesday morning, but before the class of Wednesday. Okay? So if you have a class in the morning on Monday, do the homework on Tuesday, because then your teacher have time to give you feedback. Otherwise, each teacher teaches 4 classes. So they have a lot of homework to correct. So we need to give them time to correct your homework. So if you submit before the class, the day after the assignment, the teacher will correct your homework timely. If not, you have to wait for the feedback because the teacher is only going to correct when they have time. So it's going to be a little later. So it's better to do your homework right after your class before the next class. It's not long. The homeworks are very short. So you're not gonna take more than 10 or 15 minutes to do your homework. So it's important to keep that in mind, but very good question. Any other questions?
okay. Thanks for your answer.
Okay. Okay, you're very quiet. And it's Saturday night
Teacher,
or Sunday morning.
I have a question, please.
Okay.
This mission, recording mission, we will get it after, yeah? You,
The recording?
the recording of this meeting.
Oh,
we
yes.
will get-
Yes, yes. You're going to get the recording. We're going to post it on WhatsApp for everyone.
Thank you.
Okay. And we're going to try to put subtitles in a couple of languages. Hopefully we'll be able to do it. Okay. Okay. So since it's late in Morocco, it's getting dinner time in the United States. I hope you didn't eat a lot of candy. I didn't. A lot of chocolates. And very early for Eunice, she's going to go back to bed. Yes. Thank you so much for coming. I hope, oh, Rabab, you ate a lot of candy? Yes. Oh my God. Yes. When my daughter was little, she had so much candy, it lasts a year. So much candy. Yeah, the United States is crazy. And I didn't. Yeah, I know. Okay, I want to thank you very much for this. We're going to post a recording and we are going to follow up to see if all of you did your homework now, because no more excuses, okay? The teachers really want you to see your homework, need to see your production, your writing, your speaking is very, very important, okay? So please submit your homework, and thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, thank
teacher.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Nisha.
so much.
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you from Morocco.
Oh, so nice. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you so